we have heard, no, what it's always said, knowledge is power. No, knowledge is power. It is very, very tempting. It is so attractive. No, we all want knowledge. But knowledge without the Spirit of God is dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Knowledge with the Spirit is wisdom. It is wisdom. But the world does not put value in wisdom. Knowledge ang hinahanap ng kabunduhan. Wisdom, what is right, what is wrong, what is of God, is what is the value of heaven. Pero hindi eh. Kaya nga ang sabi, no, ang sabi sa Ebanghelyo, again, no, I give praise to you, Father, Lord of heaven and earth. You have hidden these things from the wise. Tinago sa mga matatalino. Hindi makita ng mga matatalino. Pinakita sa mga bata. It is revealed to the childlike. So hindi nakikita ng mga matatalino. Sobrang talino, hindi makita. Kasi wala ang Espiritu ng Diyos. Kaya we will be blind if we only allow knowledge to rule. It is the Spirit of God. The value system really is upside down. It is only to a child who is humble that will be able to see God. If we are not childlike, and we have knowledge, from the power, no, we will be proud. Aasa tayo sa sarili. Hindi ko kailangan umasa sa Diyos. Kahit ano pang yaman, ano pang talento, ano pang yaman meron at katalinuhan, pero pag umaasa na tayo sa sarili, hanggang dito lang tayo maabot. No matter how much knowledge and power, hanggang dyan lang. But if we depend on God like a child and sees God in all things, then we will reach heaven. We will have heaven on earth only from a humble like a child. Umaasa tayo, walang iba kundi sa Panginoon Diyos. How beautiful it is. And today we have a perfect example in Saint Francis Xavier na nakakatuwa. Si Saint Francis Xavier, he's one of the more popular Jesuits na santo ng ng ating simbahan. We thank God for his wonderful example. He is one of the founders with Saint Ignatius of Loyola. Magkasama sila. Baka best friend pa nga ni Ignacio. Pero he opted, with all his knowledge, he's very brilliant. No? He wanted to teach. He was a very brilliant mind from nobility. Pero pinili niya ipadala sa mission. No? He was sent in mission. He was sent to India, to Japan, and he had many, many converts. Napakarami niyang napagbalik loob, napakarami niyang bininyagan. Ginamit niya ang talento niya. No? Ang talento niya with the Spirit of God, ginamit niya para sa pagdala ng tao sa Panginoon. So in the end, really, knowledge is not just about what the mind is. It is the presence of God. The presence of God, our desire for God. Because in the end, no, our hearts are restless, and it will only rest in Him is the truest sense of joy. We thank God for being able to see this today. Blessed are your eyes, for you see what you see, to hear what you hear. How blessed, no? Napakapalad. Sana makita natin to sa mata ng bata, hindi sa mata ng karunungan, no? Ng knowledge, but from eyes of a humble child. Salamat sa Diyos.